Hello everyone, and welcome to this fascinating new video lesson series on Microsoft Office Word fundamentals as we delve into the world of word processing and learn the ins and outs of Microsoft Word. Let's start at the very beginning with an introduction to Microsoft Word before getting into the specifics. Everything you need to know to start using Microsoft Word will be covered in this course. We will take a tour of the user interface, investigate many options and tools, and discover simple methods for carrying out typical activities. Everything from working with photos, tables, layout, for formatting text and paragraphs is covered by us. So what exactly is word processing? Word processing is the act of creating, editing, and formatting text-based documents using specialized softwares. These specialized tools allows you to communicate effectively, professionally, and creatively. Typically, word processors are electronic equivalents of paper, pen, typewriter, eraser, and most likely dictionary and thesaurus. Depending on the program or equipment you use, word processors can display documents either in text mode using highlighting, underlining, color, italics. All word processors offer at least limited facilities for document formatting, such as page layout, paragraph. Example of word processing softwares include Microsoft Office Word. This software is also referred to as Word or Microsoft Word or MS Word. So it is also part of the components of Microsoft Office package. Others include Google Docs, WPS Office Writer, Zoho Office Suite, just to mention a few examples. In the course of these tutorials, we're going to talk about the Microsoft Office Word. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to enhance their digital communication skill, understanding how to use Microsoft Word effectively can be a game changer. In this course, we'll be covering everything you need to know to get started with Microsoft Word. We'll walk through the interface, explore the various features and tools, and learn how to perform common tasks with each, from formatting text and paragraphs to working with images, tables. You're going to learn how to start a new document, input text, and edit efficiently. You're going to master the art of font style, size, color, and more. Aligning, indenting, and spacing paragraphs, and starting out formatting images to enhance your documents. Creating organized tables and lists to present information clearly. Utilizing pre-designed templates and themes to save your time. Adding consistent headers and footers to your documents. Adjusting page margin orientation and preparing for printing. Saving documents, exporting PDFs, and collaborating with others. So at the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of Microsoft Word basics fundamentals, empowering you to create professional-looking documents efficiently. Whether it's for school, work, or personal project, you'll be well equipped to tackle various challenges.